Now I wanna go where the wild things are. Now I wanna go to the east or too far. Wanna burn my wheels on your hard black tar. I'm on my way down a road less traveled. I'm on my way to a mystery unraveled. This could be the best mistake that you ever made. So come on and take my hand, girl. You don't need to be afraid. Now I wanna walk where the wild things walk. I wanna sink my teeth in the prey that I stalk. I wanna touch the things that I know are too hard. I'm on my way down a road less traveled. I'm on my way to a destiny unraveled. This could be the best mistake